You just come out to this old cemetery in Lochcarron dating back to the 1500s. It's no longer used. There's like an old, what would have been, I'm guessing, a church in here that is completely abandoned. Don't know, I like places like this, I don't know why, but I just do. But yeah, it's crazy to think how old this is. But yeah, just having a little look around. And that headstone is actually inside the church. What was the boundary of the church, I guess? So Ingrid was just pointing out, it's like ones like this are just like a, not a made up stone, but like a slab of stone that's just been found somewhere and used for a headstone, just as a marker. Which I think it's not a bad idea, to be fair, if you couldn't afford to do it, which a lot of people probably couldn't back then. Midges are out in force. It's the first time I've experienced them actually. I hear people talking about midges all the time, but they are actually attacking me. I don't normally have a big problem with insects and stuff, but I am at the moment. It's the first for me. I think we're sort of at the beginning of the midgie season. The last couple of weeks it's just started kicking off. So sort of the end of May I think it starts. But yeah, it's started. It's very overgrown, so I see what would have been inside of the church, I guess. Trying to be careful where I stand looking at this a bit. I've always felt like it's very disrespectful stepping over people's graves, but there is a kind of a path if you follow it.
That's the new church just here now. So yeah, that was a little wander around the old cemetery at Lochcarron. The midges are loving me. We have got midgie spray, but we didn't bring it out. But yeah, we've had a bit of a chill day. To be fair, we've not done a lot today. It's kind of we've had a bit of a rest day because yesterday was a big one. So we've just decided to enjoy a bit of relaxation in the shepherd's hut. Thought we'd pop out just to get some supplies and stuff. And so yeah, if you made it to the end of this very short one, then I do appreciate you watching. Much appreciate. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.